Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a logo in Leonardo AI. I have two options, one with the image and second one with the canvas editor. I'm going to show you both of them. So first of all, let's go to image, then we go to image. And let's use this logo over here that I have. Now, I don't know how to describe the logo for the prompt. So I'm going to use ChatGPT. I'm going to add this logo over here. So I'm going to add it here. I'm going to ask him what's in the image. I was gonna describe what's in the image, and then you can read the text and it says light bulb inside it. So you tell him, I want to remove the bulb. I want to change the bulb, light bulb, to a logo YouTube. Give me a prompt. Okay, so created a prompt. Let's copy that and let's add it here. Now you can adjust the settings with the model, style and all that, but I'm just gonna use what I have right now, because this video is all about the logo editing. First, we generated two pictures. Let's see. As you can see, it changed the to YouTube kind of. I'm gonna tell him to change the text, then you can change the text, change the colors if you want, to give him more specific details. Now, the second option is if you want to remove something from the picture, is much easier over here in Canvas Editor. You go over here, then you have here, and then you add the image, upload image. We add the same one, we upload the same logo. Now let's zoom a bit. Now we need to make it the same size as this one, so you need to know what size is your picture. So here, something like that. So the next step is to take the draw mask. Let's remove the ball. Let's tell him I want to remove the white bulb from the image. Okay, get that, put it here. You can see it's deleted. You could do the same for the text or whatever you want. I have two images, this one, or I think this one is better because it has some shadow light over here. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you edit your logo. So yeah, that's how you edit logos in Leonardo AI.